It's nice that we're able to navigate with router link, but sometimes you want to trigger the navigation in your JavaScript code because some operation finished and you want to navigate away, let's say. I'm going to simulate this in the user component here. Here I will first add my script part and export my JavaScript object. And in here I simply want to set up a method to which I can bind a button thereafter. I'll name it navigate to home. And all I want to do here is, well, navigate to my home page. So in the user page itself, I'll set up a div because, again, we may only have one root element in here. So let's set up this. And then there, I want to have a button. Now, of course, I could just use a router link, but you get my point, I think, what I want to show here. So go to home. And then I want to add a click listener and execute navigate to home. So this method I just set up. Now, how do we navigate from within our code? Well, in our method, we can access our Vue instance, and there we will have the router available with $router. So this is the general theme of objects from Vue itself, or from Vue router in this case, having the $sign at the beginning to mark that this is not our own object, but instead is provided by another package to us. On this router, we can now trigger a navigation by calling push. And push is the word we use here because we want to push it on the stack of existing routes so that our back and forwards buttons will work fine because we will have the old route saved as well. So this pushes it on the stack of routes we were at therefore. Now push in its simplest case simply takes the path where we want to go, like this. But we could also pass an object here where we say path should be this. And that is, of course, not really an improvement to just specifying the path, but I will come back to passing an object as a routing target for router link as well, as a side note, in one of the next lectures. For now, let's keep it simple and simply go to /. Now, to see this in action, I'll just add some nice styling to this button. Let's head over to the user page and click Go to Home. And we're back on the home page. This is how easy it is to navigate in our code. And of course, you hopefully see the similarity to our router link, where we also have this to attribute here where we specify a path, while I do the same here with push.